Guys, about to have your BRDS stock. So however guys, it is about to have to be absolutely here about this kind of the progress right now that is recently giving you here some important cases that I already start to use it through my own, as you can really think about that. About to have here very good side that about to have very bird stock that is exactly very important case that is started to be using it, as you can really think it is possible. Never mind, but this is really about to have a very good result on why we do this kind of the progress. So all you need here is just to follow now what we started to have it Robert stocks. That is exactly very important guys to know how the cycle begins and how the cycle started to give you here sides away. So this is all guys to realize. So thank you for watching this video and good